Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. And today I'm going to be reviewing new shoes that I received from eBay. They are called the Louis Vuitton Waterfront Mules Iridescent. They're size 11 and they are slides or sandals. Starting off, I'm going to show you the bag in the box. And by the way, I ordered these shoes are pre-owned from eBay. They are not new. You have your standard Louis Vuitton bag. Very nice bag. Give it to my mom and she could use it for presents. So that would be good. And you have your box here. Louis Vuitton box. And each slide comes in its separate Louis Vuitton bag. Here they are. These ones look almost like they've almost never been worn, just a few times. And see the bottom here? They're like typical slides. They have gum soles, and here they are. I really like the material here on the top and the iridescent. I thought they were going to be more like a mirror, like more reflective, but not really. But I do like them, and I think they'll be nice to add to my collection. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a great day.